Okay, so the problems continue. 2 days after my water pump was installed, I came down to a flooded living room. I'm assuming it's coming from this T here, which is a floor drain in the bathroom. But all this drywall all the way across was wet, and this column right here water was just flowing down it like a waterfall. As you start to see now, it's dried. The light on it right there. See the water damage right across here. I just ran down inside and outside of the wood and created a lake here. There's probably 10 gallons of water on the floor. So I got the job of cutting a hole in my ceiling. I thought it was going to be on an inlet line. What's the problem? But the inlet lines are out inside the concrete. But you could see water, where the water was dripping off of this T. Well, it's the only thing that's dirty. Right there. That's the floor drain beside the toilet. So now I got to put some water in there. See if I can make it drip. See where it's coming from. The fun continues. Look at this workmanship. This is behind the toilet in the master bedroom. You see the water flowing right there? It goes down the floor drain. Under the floor drain right here is that T. So maybe the water is not coming out of the drain. It's somewhere else on the inlet line. Because it's just sort of flowing now. Pretty insane, huh? Okay. Valves off, and the water is clearly coming through the wall. Time to make a hole of this. Got my own little waterfall. Okay, a little Teflon tape fixed that up. A whole lot of work to dig a hole out there, but it's not leaking now. It's a little hard to tell. Poor lighting, but it's not leaking now. But still, this don't explain the leak in the living room, which is right under this drain. This is where the water was coming from, obviously. Right down this canyon. But it don't explain why my living room flooded, so there's another problem somewhere. So now I gotta fill this pipe, this drain line, and find a hole. And another thing I just noticed, you see this right there? That's where the bolt for the toilet is supposed to be when you bolt the toilet down. It's just got grout in it. And this side as well, and I noticed that before. Better with no light. So anybody who's building a new house, there's something to look for. Toilet's not even bolted to the floor. Well, there's the leak. The water, it's hard to see from here, but it's the top part of this T around there somewhere. It's hard to tell where the water's coming out and flowing down and dripping off right here and catching it in a cup. It doesn't take long to get this drywall soaked. Look at this edge, It's waterlogged already, so it have to be all replaced. Now to fix this pipe is not going to be easy because of that. So close to the floor already. To cut that, put it back together, it's going to be fun. Getting a little tired of this.